Recursive function that identifies whether string 1 is contained within string 2. Python 3.4. Is there a way to write a recursive, required, a function that takes two strings as parameters and returns true if all characters in the first string can be found, in order, in the second string, and false otherwise? For example, the letters don't need to be consecutive, as in the third example, but they need to be in order, which is why the fourth example fails. I wrote this code. And it gave out this error. What should I do to fix the problem?
Avoid using recursive functions for efficiency.
At the line. You are shortening S1 to one character, but then at the next call you may hit. With S1 a string of len1. You need to use and add a check on the length of S1. I take it that being recursive is a requirement. In that case, this produces
the error you are getting could be because S2 is an empty string. Add a check for its length as well. If you reach this point, it would mean you haven't found all the letters you are searching for, and therefore the end result should be false.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.